In Supreme Court now special Lok Adalat is going on, and all 7 senior judges are hearing Lok Adalat cases in which in the bench with judges, senior lawyers, advocates on records, all are part of Lok Adalat bench, and they are sitting with judges. We have Archana Pathak Dave, who is senior lawyer in Supreme Court, and today she was part of Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud's Lok Adalat bench. And ma'am, what was your experience today?
Ashish ji, it was an overwhelming experience. I feel so humble and it feels so great, to be sitting that side and see what goes on in minds of judges when they are hearing our cases. It was a different experience altogether, and I feel so fortunate to be a part of it.
Yeah. See, every day you argue before them, and Supreme Court corridor is not new thing for you. But today you walked into judges corridor, you walk into the judges lounge, and you walk into the courtroom from judges entered in the courtroom. What was the difference you felt today after spending so many years in Supreme Court? Now today walk where usually a few lower, get this opportunity.
This was a one of its kind opportunity to see, where the judges sit, where they have their tea, and to come to enter the courtroom from that side. I had never ever imagined in my life that this would be someday for me. So it was really overwhelming. I was very happy, and this entire initiative, this Lok Adalat initiative by the Supreme Court, I think it is a very, very welcome step. Even the bar supports it, and the fact that there are so many petty matters which are pending before this court for years together. And I must tell you, Ashish ji, that most of the times the litigants, they want to settle, but the problem is, who will approach. So at times you never want to be the first one to offer settlement, because you will be considered as a weaker party, or your case is not that strong. That is why you are agreeing for a settlement. So this is a big initiative. And see, there are cases like insurance matters. The insurance companies are very happy with this initiative, because these matters which are settled through Lok Adalat will not be considered as precedents. So they will not have this worry that if we have this matter against us, then this will be always read against us. So they are happy. Then there are very petty matters, landlord-tenant disputes, 138 matters. So all these, if they are settled, then at least some load would be shed, and the Supreme Court would be doing what the constitutional matters will get more time, and the common man. See, at times it is always said that the common man is suffering, because many a times he's not directly related with the constitutional matters, but then he's an equal stakeholder. He's a litigant in this court. So when he feels satisfied, when he goes back and saying that, okay, now I'm free and I can do whatever work I'm doing, I'm free from this. I think this should be continued, and it is a big effort, must be lauded by each and every person.
One question everyone want to know: how Chief Justice of India, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud works today? Every day we saw him, we see him working, but today you saw him working from the dais. So what was the difference you feel today, and what about his working?
Oh, I've always felt that, and today I experienced and witnessed this also. He's got that immense amount of energy. I mean, today in the morning, he was sitting in the Constitution bench, where this was a big matter, the minerals matter, the retrospectivity and prospectivity, and great arguments by the seniors on both the sides. And then coming in Lok Adalat, then meeting all of us.
In between, he sat in 3 judges bench combination also.
Right. So after that, he went to 3 judges also. So the amount of energy that he has is, I don't think so anybody, it's so difficult to match. And he's got that same calmness on his face, same composure. So it was really very nice to see the judges working. Justice Pardiwala, Justice Manoj Mishra, I was sitting, and all of them, and they had read those matters beforehand, so they read all those files and come prepared. This is really the way they work. I think it is a 24/7 work that they do, and they don't look tired at all.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Archana Pathak Dave, and it was a great experience for her also, and also from this Lok Adalat initiative taken by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud will help common people of country. In New Delhi, Ashish Bhargav for NDTV.